Good morning, all of you. Myself, Deepak Negi, and thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I am excited to discuss my internship experience and what I have gained during my time here at FabTech Private Limited. It's been a great opportunity, and I have gained a lot of knowledge in Android development. Throughout this internship, I have worked on several key products, including music app, an AI integrated app, a note application, and many more. Each of these projects has helped me deepen my understanding of Android development concepts, best practices, and tools. One of the most valuable aspects of this internship has been the chance to improve my technical and soft skills, such as working in a team, designing an app from the scratch, handling clients and ideas, and so on. I am very grateful for the chance to work with FabTech Private Limited. This experience has not only helped me grow as a developer, but has also given me a better environment for learning professional ethics and behavior required to work at a company. So I'm very thankful for FabTech to providing me such an environment and opportunity. Thank you.